Hey guys, welcome to the Maple House. Today is Friday, March 31st. The kids are still asleep, but it sounds like they're waking up right now, so I gotta hurry and introduce this video. Today we don't really have any plans yet, but Brandon's coming home in just a few minutes from the firehouse, so it's gonna be a good day. And we figured we would just bring you guys along today and hang out with us. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and hope you have a good day too. Liam's awake. Kinda. Says he's still pretty tired. Maybe you should have slept in and not gotten up. Maybe that would have worked, huh? What do you think? What do you want to do today? It's gonna be another pretty day. Go for a bike ride, maybe?
Again.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yeah? So, hey guys!
Hey. Okay, so
It's much later. We're about to go on a bike ride, waiting on Dad. I just threw her hair in a ponytail. I gotta fix it later. But she's about to throw on a helmet. It's gonna be time to go. Say hey! You guys ready to go on a bike ride?
Yeah!
Bike ride!
Where can we go? I wanna go right now.
We're waiting on Dad.
Seriously, Dad?
Bike ride!
One bike ride for a while.
Scarlett. Hey, babe. Hey. Are you steering? Huh? Are you steering?
So it's much later. It's about 2 o'clock. Brandon is with his dad helping him with something, and I have tried for almost an hour to get this one to sleep, but she refused. So I was falling asleep, so I was like, you know what, this isn't gonna work. I'm just gonna get up. I don't know if she'll take a nap later or if we'll just skip it today, but hopefully there won't be any consequences of that. So I'm just gonna put her hair up so we can go play outside. Liam has been begging to go play outside on our patio at the sand table, so that's what we're about to do.
Two hands.
Liam's car sounds are always so good. Uh-oh. Goodness. Took it too fast. Look at these curls. Look at these back curls. Like a porcelain doll. Those are combed up. It just stays. Gonna play a princess game? Yeah, your princess? Are you a princess? Every night, this is what they do. Every night, they take a bath.
Go, Katie.
they play this game where Scarlett is the princess and Liam's got to chase her.
Princess Getaway Monster.
Scarlett. Go get him, Scarlett. Go get him. Where's Bubba? Is he gonna chase you? Where's Bubba? Hey, you can't see.
Huh?
How can you see?
Hey, we're playing night-night. Night-night, but we're still playing. Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Hi. Say night-night. Night-night, everybody.